We're passionate about equipping makers, machinists, and fabricators with high-quality tools that enhance precision and efficiency. Our carbide burrs are engineered from premium tungsten carbide, bonded to robust steel shanks, making them ideal for demanding tasks like heavy-duty stock removal, deburring, and weld preparation on both ferrous, e.g., steel, iron, and non-ferrous, e.g., aluminum, brass, copper, metals. These burrs are designed for use with high-speed rotary tools such as die grinders or flexible shaft systems, operating effectively at speeds up to 30,000 RPM. They're particularly popular among automotive enthusiasts, welders, and metalworkers in areas like Mason, Ohio, where local industries, including manufacturing hubs near Cincinnati, often involve metal fabrication for aerospace, automotive, or custom projects. Drawing from industry standards like those from the American National Standards Institute, ANSI, and insights from tool experts at organizations such as the Precision Machined Products Association, PMPA. This guide dives deep into their applications, cut types, and specialized features like long shank options. Key applications: heavy-duty stock removal, deburring, and weld prep. Our carbide burrs excel in scenarios requiring aggressive yet controlled material manipulation, ensuring durability and minimal tool wear even under prolonged use. Heavy-duty stock removal. This involves rapidly eliminating large amounts of metal to shape workpieces, such as enlarging holes, carving channels, or roughing out forms in castings. On ferrous metals like stainless steel, our burrs bite deeply without excessive heat buildup, preventing work hardening that could dull edges. For non-ferrous metals like aluminum, they prevent gumming by ejecting soft chips efficiently. In practice, users in Ohio's humid climate, where moisture can accelerate corrosion on ferrous parts, appreciate how these burrs allow quick removal before oxidation sets in. A typical workflow starts with light passes at 10,000 to 15,000 RPM, building to full speed for deeper cuts, always with intermittent pressure to avoid overheating. Deburring. After machining or casting, burrs, sharp edges or protrusions, can compromise safety and assembly. Our tools smoothly chamfer edges and remove flash without altering the underlying geometry. On ferrous metals, they handle tough burrs from drilling or milling, while on non-ferrous ones, they prevent scratching soft surfaces. For example, in weld shops around Mason, Ohio, mechanics use them to clean up edges on custom exhaust systems, ensuring a snag-free finish. Best results come from a 15 to 30-degree angle approach, with lubrication like cutting oil to reduce friction and extend burr life by up to 50%. Weld prep. Preparing surfaces for welding, such as beveling edges, cleaning grooves, or removing scale, is crucial for strong joints. Our burrs create precise V-grooves or J-preps on ferrous metals to promote better penetration, reducing defects like porosity. On non-ferrous metals, they ensure clean, oxide-free surfaces without distorting thin materials. In local applications, like prepping steel frames for Ohio's construction projects or aluminum components for boating on nearby lakes, users value the burr's ability to blend contours seamlessly. Always prep at moderate speeds, around 12,000 RPM, to maintain edge sharpness and avoid melting non-ferrous alloys. These applications benefit from the burr's heat-resistant carbide composition, which withstands the rigors of industrial use while providing a longer service life compared to high-speed steel alternatives. Explaining cut types: double, profile, and coarse. The cut type determines the burr's flute design, influencing chip size, finish quality, and suitability for specific metals. We offer a range of options to match your needs, each optimized for efficiency and control. Double cut. Featuring two intersecting sets of flutes, this design creates a crosshatch pattern for finer, smaller chips and a smoother finish. It's excellent for detailed work on both ferrous and non-ferrous metals, as it reduces vibration and allows precise control during deburring or weld prep. On ferrous metals like tool steel, it prevents chipping. On non-ferrous like brass, it minimizes loading. Chip buildup. Ideal for finishing stages in heavy stock removal, where a polished surface is desired. However, it may generate more heat, so pair it with cooling techniques in extended sessions. Profile cut. This specialized cut includes contoured flutes tailored for shaping complex profiles, such as radii or undercuts. It's particularly useful for weld prep on curved surfaces or deburring intricate parts, offering a balance between aggression and finesse. On ferrous metals, it excels at creating bevels without gouging. On non-ferrous, it handles soft materials gently to avoid deformation. In tight workspaces, like engine components common in Ohio's auto restoration scene, the profile cut allows for ergonomic handling and consistent results, making it a go-to for custom fabrication. Coarse cut. With wider, fewer flutes, this type produces larger chips for rapid material evacuation, making it perfect for heavy-duty stock removal on tough ferrous metals like cast iron. It runs cooler and clogs less than finer cuts, which is advantageous on non-ferrous metals prone to smearing, such as copper. While it leaves a rougher finish, it's efficient for initial roughing before switching to double or profile for refinement. Users report up to 30% faster removal rates, but it requires steady hand pressure to avoid skipping. Selecting the right cut depends on the metal's hardness and task phase. Start coarse for bulk work, then refine with double or profile. Long shank options for tight spaces. Accessing confined areas, like deep ports or internal welds, can be challenging with standard tools. Our long shank carbide burrs address this by extending the reach typically 3 to 6 inches beyond standard lengths, while maintaining stability and cutting power. The shank is made from high-strength steel to resist bending, ensuring precise control even in awkward positions. Design benefits. These burrs feature reinforced necks to minimize whip and vibration, making them suitable for heavy-duty tasks in restricted spaces, such as inside engine blocks or pipe interiors. On ferrous metals, the extended reach allows deep stock removal without disassembling components. On non-ferrous, it prevents accidental damage to surrounding areas. Practical use tips. In Mason, Ohio, where DIYers often work on vintage cars and home garages, long shank burrs are invaluable for reaching into cylinder heads or exhaust manifolds. Operate at lower RPMs, 8,000 to 12,000, to reduce torque stress, and use a flexible extension if needed for even tighter spots. For weld prep in confined joints, the long shank enables beveling without repositioning the workpiece, saving time. Compatibility and care. Available in all cut types, double, profile, coarse. These options fit most pneumatic or electric grinders. To maximize lifespan, clean flutes regularly with a brass brush and store in protective cases to prevent chipping.